Namaskar ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Welcome back to Organization Management and Entrepreneurship class, session number 5, TPM and TQM unit number 3. So in a previous video, I had explained about inspection, types of inspection and function of inspection and quality and the meaning of the quality. See what is inspection? I have told, see it will find out the defect in a product and different types of the inspection we are discussed, and we understand the meaning of the quality and what is meant, what is quality definition. We have seen it in a previous video. See, in this video I'm going to explain about the factors affecting the quality, cost and the quality, value and cost of quality, that is a relationship between the value and cost of the quality, quality control, factors affecting the quality. See, first thing, what are the factors which affects your quality? If you consider any product, there may be some quality loss in that product. The quality losses causes to some reason. Those reasons are listed. Those are all. First is market research. Market research means first they need to understand what customer is requirement, what customer needed. That can be understand by using the market research. If they failed in the first stage, that means market research, if they are doing the research and if they wrongly assumed or wrongly understand the customer requirement, then the end product will not going to meet the customer need or customer requirement. Then easily customer says it is not a quality product. At the, see, while defining the quality, end user or the customer will say it is a quality. End user is the matter about the quality. That means market research plays a very important role. It will going to affect your end product quality. Money, the money means some of the product requires huge money to invest. If they have less investment, they, if they have doesn't have money, then they're not able to produce the quality product. End product will not be a good. So this will going to affect your quality. And management, if management is very cautious about the quality and they want to produce the quality product, they will produce the quality product. If they are not conscious about the quality product, then the end product doesn't have a quality. This is about the management. The management have a proper decision about the quality. And the production method, what method they are going to use, whether they are using and what are the process they are using, all these things will be happens in a quality. And poor packing, this is about package. We had explained in a PPC what is the function of package and all this thing. If they are not properly packaged, assume that you have designed a product which made up of glass. See, if the glass product is transported from the point A to point B, that is of around 500 kilometer. See what will happen. See, if you are not properly packed, if the product reach from the point A to point B of a 500 kilometer with the road transportation or some media transportation, the glass material will go into damage. So then the customer at the end, the customer says you are delivered a damaged product, then you will say it is not a quality product. That is the power of packaging. If they are done poor packaging, it will affect the quality. If they are done good package, then the quality will assured. Improper transportation, I already told, from point A to point B, if they are doing transportation, if they are not done improper transportation, means the product will get damaged. If they get damaged, then the quality will be degraded. That is the problem with the transportation. If they do proper transportation, quality can be ensured. So this is about, it will going to affect the quality if you do improper transportation. And poor service after the sales. Once you have sold the product at the customer side, there may be some problem or there may be a difficulty in operating. For that, uh, company or industry has to provide a service engineer at the customer point, and he has to explain properly and he has to rectify that problems. If they are not done proper servicing, that means the quality will not going to affect. So these are all the factors which affect the quality of any product. You can easily remember this with the saying 4M. What is meant by the 4M? Market, research, money, management and methods. These are all the 4M's. You can easily remember this 4 point. And poor package, improper transportation, poor service after the sales. These are all the factors which affects your product quality. See, next is about the cost and the quality, that is relation between the cost and the quality. See, in a previous video I had explained about quality. Quality can be developed, or quality is the integration of quality development, quality maintenance, quality development, and quality improvement. If any one product needs a quality, they need to integrate three things. One is quality maintain, quality development, quality maintenance, and quality improvement. See, all these things involve some cost. That cost they call, that is a quality cost. That quality cost consisting of four parameters, that is cost of prevention, cost of appraisal, cost of internal failure, and cost of the external failure. All these four cost will add up and makes the total cost, that is called the total quality cost. The total quality cost will affect your product value. That means the product cost, final end product cost consisting of manufacturing cost as well as quality cost. This will add up, you can say it is a overhead cost. See, for example, if you take a branded product and unbranded product, the branded product cost is always more. Why? Because means they follow the standard procedure, quality procedure, that is a overhead cost. You are going to pay extra money for a total quality cost. Those extra money they call, that is a cost of prevention, cost of appraisal, cost of internal failure, and cost of external failure. What is mean by the cost of prevention? Cost of prevention means they want to prevent the failure. For that they want, means if they want quality product, they want to prevent the failure. For that failure they will going to do some necessary action. That necessary action called as an preparation of the document, specification document, manual, and quality improvement planning, and all these things they have done in the cost of prevention. This is called cost of prevention. The amount spent on preparation of the documents, specification document, manual, and quality document or process document, that is called cost of prevention. Next is cost of appraisal. Cost of appraisal means they have a product. For that product they want to measure the actual performance and compare with the specification or compare with the standard. For that they will going to spend some amount of the money, that is called cost of appraisal. Cost of appraisal means it's actually amount spends to measure the performance of the product and compare with the standards. For that they are, it may be employee, or it may be some tools, or it may be some equipments. For that they will going to spend some amount, that's called as a cost of appraisal. Then coming to cost of internal failure. What is meant by the cost of internal failure? While doing the quality work or while doing the testing in industry or in any organization, they find out some failure. That failure, they need to rework on that failure, or they have to reject that failure, and again they have started working again from the start. For that they are spending some amount, that is called as a cost of internal failure. And next is cost of external failure. This is a one damaging statement saying that cost of external failure means the cost of external failure, the failure happened at the customer side. The product has been sold to customer. The customer got the product, and while using, he faced some problem. He faced some problem in the sense the product doesn't work as per the expectation of the customer. That failure cost is called as a cost of external failure. See, this is biggest issue, because the customer will think that this product doesn't have a quality, this product doesn't meet the quality. If they have done all this thing, cost of prevention, cost of appraisal, cost of internal failure, it's all doing it at inside the industry, or it's in a inside the organization. But this is at the customer end. If the customer faces the problem or customer finds out the defect, then the company quality, the company, there is a question of the quality. This is all about the cost of, the relation between the cost and the quality. See, for that cost of external failure, I would like to show us one video. This will help you to understand what is the cost of failure. This is available in YouTube. It is prepared by, this video was produced by American Society for the Quality. You search for the cost of the quality video, and you will get this video.
Engine throttling up, 3 engines now at 104%. Challenger, go with throttle. Looking very carefully at the situation. Obviously a major malfunction.
So this is the one product that they used, ring O-ring they call, that is because of that O-ring, one of the NASA Aircraft has been crashed in air in a 73 seconds when they launched in 1983. This is because of quality failure. This is because of supplier. Supplier has not. Say a small O-ring that's cost of a few $100,000
Came to the court
and 7 lives.
shuttle challenge. This is truly a national loss.
Quality not an act but a habit. That is Aristotle. There is a one more failure. It's happened in 2009 in a Toyota. That is about the cost of 9 million car has been recalled. This is because of this one mat. This mat has been stuck while applied brake.
I am deeply sorry for any accident that Toyota drivers have experienced.
So it is a accident. So many accidents is happened because of that problem. Financial loss for that company $5.5 billion. The reputation damage and cost of regaining, that is market share. It takes a lot of time. Quality is the result of a carefully constructed cultural environment. There is a number 3 example, that is on 2010 BP deep water horizon drilling. This is about crude oil. It's spread all over the sea. The quality failure because of they used big cement around the wall.
They potentially have the best answers, so I know whose ass to kick.
So this is the damage happened through that BP oil explosion. 11 people dead, financial losses of $10 billion. That is a loss of environmental damages. The cost of testing the cement, they could have spent around $1,28,000. Quality means doing it right when no one else is looking. So this is understand your internal and external customer and strive for an exceed them. This is the customer focus. If any company focus on the customer, they will going to deliver a quality product. Whatever I have shown in this video, all this is comes under external failure. These are all happened at the customer end, and the customer end failure, it is a huge cost. The company will not going to bear those losses. This is a biggest losses for any industry. This is about the relation between the cost and the quality. The same thing can be explained with the graph. See, in this graph, if you see, there is a two cost. One is a this is the sum of prevention cost and appraisal cost. Both this cost, this prevention and appraisal cost, both this cost has been added here. It is started from the 0 to infinite. See, this is the graph, it's 0 to infinite, and there is a another cost, internal cost and external cost. I have given a video example, that is external cost. How much important this external failure you should know, you should understand at this point of time. It is from infinite to 0. See, that means if you are not done any process related to prevention cost and appraisal cost, if you are not spending any money on the prevention appraisal of a quality, then there will be a lot of internal failure and lot of external failure. This cost is of nearly infinite. This is the dominating cost at the left side. Left side means there is internal failure and external failure. This will going to dominate it at the left side. When the graph is keep on move to right, when the right means the sum of prevention cost and appraisal cost reaches to infinite, means maximum. If you spend maximum amount on the prevention appraisal cost, the internal failure and external failure will going to reduce nearly to the 0. So this is the one, but we need a optimum total quality cost. This is called total quality cost. The total quality cost is the addition of the prevention and appraisal cost and internal external failure cost. Here at this point it's infinite, at this point is infinite, but this is the point, it's a minimum point. This point we gives an optimum total quality cost. See, we need this point. This is called economically conformed level, that is gives a minimum total quality cost. See, if any industry want to manufacture the quality product, and that quality product should meet minimum total quality cost, because they want to get the profit. That is why they selected this point, what minimum point, that is called as an optimum point. There is a relation between the cost and the quality. So next is about the relation between the value and the quality. See, this is, if you take out any company or any industry, they will not going to produce 100% quality product. If they produce 100% quality product, if they are trying to produce 100% quality product, definitely there will not be able to achieve the profit, because they are spending so much money on the cost. So previous slide I have explained about the cost of the quality includes 4 things: cost of internal failure, cost of external failure, cost of prevention, cost of appraisal. All this cost will add up, and those cost will make overhead cost. See, this is the way we have to select the optimum value, optimum quality. So this is the main intention, and this graph you will going to select the optimum value and optimum quality. See, 100% will not be able to achieve for any company. We need to select optimum value and optimum quality. See, that can be explained with the help of this graph. See, here in this graph there are two curves. One is an optimum, this is a cost of quality, and this is value of quality, means the amount you spend. This is the amount you spend on the quality. There is 4 cost of quality. Previous slide I have shown, that is cost of prevention, appraisal, cost of internal failure, and cost of external. All this cost will be add up, and it's from 0 to it's infinite. It's like a curve, and for you spend so much money on the cost of quality, at the same time you are getting some value respect to the quality. This is the value you are getting. See, and this is another curve. See, here in this point we want to select our industry, our manufacturing industry want to select the optimum cost to get the optimum quality value. How they are doing it, that they will select two length. One is they will select A length. This is the A length. If they are spending amount, A amount, that means from year to year cost amount, they are getting B value. Observe the length. A length is like a, if you say 1 centimeter, B length will be 2 centimeter. Example I'm saying. That means, yeah, you spend 1 rupee, you are getting 2 rupees value. This is interesting. And at the same time, I want to increasing more cost of quality. I have done so many extra process, and the cost of quality is increased. That is the length. C is the length. That means it's around 2 centimeter or 2 rupees. And if you see the D length, if I spend uh, C length of cost, I'm getting the D value. The D value is nearly 1. If I spend 2 rupees on the total cost, I'm getting the 1 rupee. See here, which one is the better? So this is the better one, and this is about the optimum value. See, this is the point we need. Means the B length is greater than D, and if I spend A, it is a B value, it is more than D. That's why B and A, this particular point is selected for a optimum value and optimum cost. See, in this graph it's explained about the relation between the value and the quality. See, this is the perfection. When you reach perfection, maximum perfection, you are going to spend maximum amount of the cost, and that this is a y-axis, it's about cost, and you are getting the value will going to degrade. Means you will not get 100% quality product. So this is about the value, the relation between the value and the quality. If manufacturing industry want to make a profit, they have to go for this region. They want to spend A amount of the money for the total cost, and they get the B value of the quality. So this is a graph explains about the value and the quality. So next is quality control. What is mean by the quality control? See, we have studied about quality, and we understand what are the factors which affects the quality, and we have see the relation between the cost and the quality, and what are the different quality casters we have studied, and we have see this video. Now what is meant by the quality? It is a process through which measures actual quality performance and compare with some standard. If there any deviation between the observed quality performance and standard performance, the corrective action is taken. See, that means you will take a product, that product will be measure the actual performance. That means measure the actual quality performance, and there is some standards. This standard we call this is customer need, or customer specification, or customer requirement, or some standard process, some standard procedures they have developed. They will compare this actual quality performance with some standard. If there any deviation, this is the deviation, they want to take a corrective action. Observe the quality performance and the standard performance, and they need to take a corrective action. Corrective action means they want to make it match both the actual performance and the quality standard. If both has been matched, then the job of the quality control is success. If there any deviation, then they need to do a corrective action. So this is about the quality control. See, this in each industry they have a separate department, they call that is a QC department, that is called quality control. Their job is to check whether the product has meet the standards, and if it does not meet the standard, they will inform the respective department to take a corrective action. So this is about the quality control. See, next is what is mean, what are the function of the quality control, what has to do in a quality control department. I already told, first thing they should know the standards, and they take the product and measure the actual performance of the product, compare it, and if there any deviation, that means any internal failures or any defect or any not meted, not conformed customer requirement, they have to inform to the respective department, and they have to make it a corrective actions. So these are all the functions of the quality control. Means they will ensure the quality. Why all these things are doing with the quality control? Means they want to make the quality. They want to make the quality, and the quality product has to reach to the customer, and customer should happy. If the customer is happy, then they will production will improve and company will be in profit. See, they can avoid external failure. If they avoid external failures, means company will going to definitely will be profit. See, first function of the quality control, improve the company profit. They want to improve the profit. How they will improve the profit? If they give quality product to the customer, definitely more number of product will sell, and if the more number of product is selling in the market, means the company profit will increase. And to reduce the losses due to the defect, they want to reduce the defect. Those defects may be internal defects or maybe external defects. External defect means in the customer defect, they want to reduce. If they reduce, their job is success. To achieve the interchangeability of the manufacturing in the large scale production, they want to inline with the manufacturing sector, and what they are doing, they need to check at the each stage, and they need to inform to the respective department to produce the optimum quality at a minimum price. So this is the one important we have discussed in a previous slide about the optimum quality value and optimum quality cost. See, they want to produce the optimum quality at the minimum price. See, the price is very important. Price will not going to increase to infinite for producing the better quality product. They doesn't want 100% quality product. They want optimum quality with a minimum price. This is the main aim of a manufacturing sector. Why all these things they are doing it? Only one thing, that is profit. If they want profit, they want optimum quality and they want minimum price, then only they will achieve the profit. Otherwise profit will not happen. Customer satisfaction, customer goodwill, confidence and reputation, and manufacturing, see, they will get the brand. When the brand value will get increases if they give a quality product. If they are not given the quality product, definitely the branded value or reputations will going to decreases. These are all the function of the quality control. So next is about some more functions of the quality control. To make the prompt inspection to ensure the quality control at the proper stage of the production. Each and every stage they have to do an inspection and they have to give the quality control. Judging the conformity of the process to establish standard and taking the suitable action if there is any deviation. They want to do a judgment. After comparison, the result has to be properly judged. This is wrong, this is right. They want to give a proper judgment and take a suitable action to improve the quality and the productivity by process control, experimentation, and the customer feedback. They want to improve the quality improvement and productivity by the customer feedback and experimentation, and by adopting the new process controls. These are all the function of the quality control. Next, factors affecting the quality control. Same, whatever we have discussed previously, factor affecting the quality, same thing will affect in a quality control also. Market research, money management, men, motivation, material, machines, and poor packing, improper transportation, poor service after the sale. All this thing you can easily remember this with the 5 M's: market, money, material, management, motivation, and material, machines. You can also methods, and poor packing, improper transportation, and poor service. So these are all affects your quality. See, now come to the assessment session. This is a multiple choice question. It's having 10 questions, each having a multiple option. You need to pause the video and try to find the answer for the respective question. See, first question: what are all the factors affect the quality? A, market research, money, and C is the management, D is the all the above. Pause the video and try to find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is all the above. You can remember the 4M: market, money, management, and manpower or material, methods. All these things will affect your quality. What is the cost of the quality planning, documentation, training, process control cost? Option A, cost of prevention. Option B, cost of appraisal. Option C, cost of internal failure. Option D, cost of external failure. Pause the video and try to find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is cost of prevention. This is the cost you are going to spend on preparing the quality planning, documentation, training, and process control cost. Question number 3: what is the cost of measuring, evaluating, or auditing of the product inspection and test maintenance? A, cost of prevention. B, cost of appraisal. C, cost of internal failure. D, cost of external failure. Pause the video and find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is cost of appraisal. That means the appraisal means they are going to measure the actual performance and they will going to do a proper inspection and testing, all these things. This is about cost of appraisal. Question number 4. What is the cost of defective product, components, material, failure, etc.? Option A, cost of prevention. Option B, cost of appraisal. Option C, cost of internal failure. Option D, cost of external failure. Pause the video and find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is option C, that is cost of internal failure. This happens at the inside of the industrial when they are doing testing. They may find out defective, or they may find the failure. They want to do a rework. The amount spent on rework or the amount spent on the rejection, that is called a cost of internal failure. This is option C. Question number 5. What is the cost of the customer complaint service replacing and repairing? Option A, cost of prevention. Option B, cost of appraisal. Option C, cost of internal failure. Option D, cost of external failure. Pause the video and find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is option D, cost of external failure. This is the external failure means failure happened at the customer end. If they find out any defect or if they find any failure, then there will be a huge loss for the company. I've shown this with the video, that is cost of quality, how it is happening. This is about the most important they want to consider, that is cost of external failure. See, question number 6. Dash cost dominate the total cost can be reduced by reducing the cost of failure. Option A, failure cost. Option B, appraisal cost. The right answer for this question is failure cost. That at the time, this is the left portion of the curve I have shown in the graph. That is a failure cost dominate the total cost can be reduced by reducing the cost of the failure. The failure cost can be reduced by the cost of failure. The option question number 7. Dash cost dominate the total cost can be reduced by widening the tolerance reduction of the more effective inspection. A, failure cost. B, appraisal cost. Pause the video and find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is B, option B, that is appraisal cost. Question number 8. Dash process through which measure the actual quality performance and compare it with some standards. If there is any deviation between the observed quality performance and the standard performance, then the corrective actions are taken. Option A, quality. Option B, inspection. Option C, quality control. Option D, maintenance. Pause the video and find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is option C, quality control. It is the definition of the quality control. The quality control means measure the actual quality of the performance, compare with standard. If there is any deviation, they will take a corrective action. So this is called as a quality control. Question number 9. The cost of the quality and the value of the quality gives dash of the design. A, optimum value. B, optimum cost. C, optimum failure. D, optimum quality. The right answer for this question is optimum quality. They want to design optimum quality for a cost of the quality. This is the main aim of any industry or any manufacturing sector, to get the profit. Question number 10. What are the function of the quality control? Options A, to reduce the losses due to the defect. Option B, to produce the optimum quality at the minimum price. Option C, improve the customer relation. Option D, all the above. Pause the video and try to find the answer for this question. The right answer for this question is option D, all the above. All these are all mentioned as the function of the quality. Along with, there are some other functions of the quality we have discussed in previous slides, and these are all the answer for all your MCQ. And you need to try to find out some more external failure which happened in a previous history. You take out with the help of Google, you find out what are all the companies face the problem with the external failures. you search for, there is a one more problem has happened, that is a floating point Pentium floating point bug. This is an external failure happened with one of the company. You need to find out what is happened, how much it has been lost, what is that Pentium floating point bug. So everything you have to search, and you will know what is important of the quality. Thank you.